Hi, hello, hope you're well. Welcome to our next video in the series. This one's called Arriving at School. Now, some of you will just live round the corner from your current primary school and you'll either just walk or your mum and dad will take you or what have you. You may get in the car, but it's unlikely that you're going to get a bus or a train or what have you. And at the moment, you're just really quite used to popping to school in the mornings, and perhaps your parents will pick you up at the school gates. That may very well change when you come up to Uscalarius in September, and therefore it will need some planning. So you need to think about how you're going to get to school when you come to us in September. Are you going to walk? Are you going to get the bus? Are you going to catch a train? Or are you going to come by car? So each of those need to be considered, and you need to think of the best way of getting there. Now, what you need to do is first of all plan. You need to work out how you're going to get there. How far is it from your home to school? Do you know how far it is? I suggest you get onto Google Maps, put in the school postcode, which will appear on your screen in a moment, and then put your home postcode and work out how far it is. Google Maps will tell you how roughly long it will take for you to walk or to get by car, etc. Have a look at that. And then you need to practice it. So this may involve you getting on the bus, it may involve you getting on the train, etc. or getting your mum and dad to run you to school. But it does need to be practiced before you get there in September. So finally, what you need to do, you need to find out your postcode for your home address. You need to find out the postcode from the school, which has already been on your screen. Put them into Google Maps and then find out how far it is to school. Then I suggest if you're travelling by bus or you train, you get the Arriva Trains Wales or the Arriva Bus Wales app on your phone so you can work out what bus you need to catch and at what time. If you're walking, practice it. If you're going to come by car, get your parents to drive you to school on a morning when you would be going so you can work out how much time. That's your homework. Practice coming to school between now and September, at least a couple of times, so you know what to expect. See you then. Take care.